Konnichiwa, Mia. Okay. Wakata. I got it. I'm wearing the same shirt. The beans. That is because I'm recording this all at one time, so I don't forget about it. Because I'm going on vacation, and I'll be posting over the vacation if I can. Free Wi-Fi. So, let's actually talk about Japanese now. Konnichiwa. Yo yo. So, today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, and this is about the te form. Part 2 of the verb series. If you haven't watched 1, go watch it. If you already know about the types of verbs, then stick around. So the te form is te. This is like when you're demanding someone to do it. So, for example, yamete, which means stop. It's a command when you're commanding someone. So, taberu goes to tabete. I'm guessing you can already understand what's going on here. The ru in type 2 verbs, the ru changes to te. So, taberu, you get rid of the ru and replace it with te. If you want to say, eat your apple, if you don't know, verbs always go at the end. So, ringo o tabete. Eat the apple. Yep, that's that easy. So, what's the difference between taberu and tabete? So, you cannot use te in like a normal sentence like, I eat the apple. This is only when you're commanding someone. So, only a command you use te form. So, that is it. Every single iru eru verb, you replace the ru with the te. So, now the next part, the type 1. As you know, this is where it gets a bit hard. Don't worry, I have a good way to remember it by this channel called Miku Real Japanese. Link in description. Go check her out. This is her song because I can't sing. So this is her song on ways to remember it. In a second, we'll play the song. So since every other verb besides ru is in this place, in this area of type 1. So for example, no mu, you can't just replace no mu with no te. No mu. You have to change it to known de. So you're like, that makes no sense. How am I ever going to know this? Well, don't worry, because this song is really going to help you. There, she was replacing like every ending of a verb, of a type 1 verb, and she had like this weird thing after it. For example, utsuru, the little su, and then te. So the little su, the little version of su, means like a stop. So for example, au, it would be a te. You would have to have a little stop. So a te. And au means wash, and then that would be ate, and that one means wash. So and then that goes with every single ending of any verb will be in that song. So this is like the country road, take me home to the place, that song. Memorize it because you sing it all around, and I memorized this in like a week because I just sang this song all the time. So now quickly, like ask me anything, nomu nonde. Because it's that easy, because I could just do it that quickly, because I listened to that song. So now, something weird about this is that for example, suru means to do. Suru is at the end of many, like, words, like nouns. So, for example, denwa means call, like a phone call, denwa. And so if you say denwa suru, it means to call. So, like, so suru, in the song, they changed it to shite. So suru goes to shite, and then the other type 3 verb is kuru, and that goes to kite. Suru, shite, kuru, kite. Benkyou suru, that means to study. So how would you say study? So benkyou suru, the te form is of suru is shite. So you would say benkyou shite. So that is basically just all there is to know this. Just study that song And then we can move on to the next part of this te form. Now the te form gets actually simpler and simpler and simpler because this is no longer a te form, it's a ta form. This is like a whole different thing. So this is like a separate part of the video, part two of the video. So te form is a command and ta form is a past tense. You've been waiting for this. So tabe, same thing with this. It gets even simpler. So taberu, in the te form, it goes to tabete. But in the ta form, you just change all the s sounds to a. Tabeta, and that means ate. Tabeta means eat. Tabete means eat, like do it. So te is a command, and ta is a past tense. So, for example, utsuru te. So you would just, every verb that you want a past tense that has utsuru, you would just change the e in te to ta. And that's all you have to do, is just replace the e with the a. Any questions? Please leave it down below. That is the whole entire video. Study that song. Play it on repeat and repeat all day. And you will remember this for sure. So now, today, you can learn how to command people to do any verb and past tense. Sayonara, mina.